Genetic research troubles people from religious backgrounds, but also people from backgrounds of no religion at all. And the reason why it disquiets and disturbs many people is that gene research questions some of the values we hold most dearly about ourselves, which we've gained from Western religious traditions, but these religious traditions have become so dominant in the way that our human beings think about themselves, so that even if you're religious or not, you hold them. The most obvious example is that most Westerners believe that they possess free will, that there is a freedom that they possess which is not dependent on their life circumstances or their physical condition. And this freedom is seen as at the core of human dignity. What genetic research does is to call into question whether we are as free as we may think. Let me say it is not just genetic research. Genetic research is part of a continuing cluster of research programs which are becoming more and more sophisticated and more successful in describing human social behavior in terms of humans' biological processes. Probably more significant, although it does not get the same public attention, are the neurosciences. The neurosciences are telling us increasingly more and more about how our brain works. Most human beings know, but they prefer to ignore that their emotions, that their persons are dependent upon their physical bodies. It's only when people or someone they love suffers a catastrophic accident where there is brain surgery or a devastating illness like Alzheimer's, that human beings come into contact with the fact that who we are really does depend on how our bodies and in particular our brains function. And that makes people feel very uncomfortable. And the same science, genetic research, brings up precisely those fears. So it's fear of our biological dependence that is first of all stimulated.